Hello, I'm Emma. Welcome to today's 1 Minute Better Book Review. We're covering Girls That Invest, Your Guide to Financial Independence Through Shares and Stocks by Simran Kaur. Before we dive into my review, we want to remind you that when women invest, they actually outperform men in market returns. But so many women never leverage the opportunity of investing because they've internalized negative stereotypes about women and money. Kaur urges you to shatter any self-limiting beliefs you have about investing and start working towards financial freedom and early retirement today. First off, this book is a great step-by-step guide to investing in the stock market and reaping long-term financial rewards. It's packed with practical advice and actionable tips that will help you improve your basic financial literacy and take control of your finances. One of the key takeaways from this book is that you can't afford to have limiting money beliefs. Kaur stresses the importance of learning to invest and protect your freedom. She explains that from beating inflation to reaching your financial goals more quickly, investing serves women better than saving. The book also helps you overcome common misconceptions about investing that hold women back. For example, many people believe that investing is too hard or too complicated. But Kaur debunks these myths and makes it clear that investing is quite simple and you don't need much money to start. Overall, we highly recommend this book to anyone, but especially to women who want to take control of their finances and work towards financial freedom. Kaur's writing is clear, concise, and easy to understand, making this book accessible to readers at all levels of financial literacy. So if you're ready to overcome limiting money beliefs, improve your basic financial literacy, and take control of your finances, then Girls That Invest is definitely a book you should check out. If you're still not sure if this book is for you, check out the video description. There you'll find quotes from the book, additional key concepts, audiobook times, and pros and cons to consider before picking up Girls That Invest. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss discovering a new book in our next review. If you've read or listened to the book, let everyone know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, enjoy learning something new and have a great day.